Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and I wanted to share one of my favorite pair of earrings that I've bought. I've had them for a few months. They're by PAVOI, and they're just so tiny and dainty. I absolutely love them.
These little triangles are amazing quality. My ears are super sensitive, and these earrings are sterling silver and they're gold plated with that 14 karat gold. I have had absolutely no problems with these at all. No irritation, allergies, anything like that. These are the cutest little triangles. I love the little design. They're perfect for everyday wear. Lately, I have been wearing them literally every day. They go with everything. They're super light. They're really comfortable. They're the perfect minimalist earrings.
I've gotten so many compliments on these earrings, and they're just so easy to wear all the time. I like that they're tiny. They don't get stuck in my hair. I will leave them on in the shower, and I love them. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.